When I think about my practice, a lot of it begins with an interest in environmental space. I have a background in interior design and I'm really interested in how environments are arranged and experienced, and how small shifts in placement or orientation of objects can sort of determine whether something feels harmonious or uncomfortable. I often look to interiors and architecture, particularly from modernism through to the 1990s and early 2000s, with a focus on post-war architecture by the likes of Le Corbusier and others in that sort of era of design. I like to think about how spatial systems used within these buildings can sort of translate into the structure of a painting or a textile. When it comes to colour, I draw from similar references, looking toward the restrained palettes of brutalist and post-war interiors and exteriors. My painting practice and textile practice have sort of sat alongside each other for many years, and my process moves between disciplines, often involving breaking down materials and sort of pushing them as far as they can go. Because of this, I sort of approach my work less as something with a fixed endpoint and more as an ongoing process. There's a lot of working into the surface, and over time the surface almost becomes a record of this process, where the piece develops through this sort of balance of purpose and unpredictability. There's something that I really like in not quite knowing where something's going to end up, and I really try and just trust my intuition and sort of lean into that.